is your dream to find the perfect design for your living space? Watch this video to find out.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Don't forget to subscribe.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want your friends to be impressed by visiting your place? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.